You scum-carving fuck! I'm gonna make you regret a whole lot of living. And teach you some respect.
All right, man, you win. You win. Just tell me what you want. All right, my dad owns this fucking town.
I bet there's not one human being in this town whose life you haven't ruined.
Please, please, don't shoot my dick off. Okay, I'm young. I got too much fucking left to do. Please.
Damn, boy. No! I'm gonna get you to a doctor.
Just give me the fucking phone. What?
Dad. My whole body hurts, Dad. Everywhere.
Slick? Where are you? What happened?
He shot my dick off.
Tell me where you are. I'll come and get you.
I'm not gonna make it, Dad. I'm dying. I'm dying.
Slick boy, you're tough. I'm so proud of you. You're the toughest kid I know.
Thank you. Hey, Dad. You were a pretty rad father.
Slick? Slick?
Slick! Ah!